Okay, so we're gonna start a rebound test. I didn't realize the first time I did it wasn't recording, so I gotta do it again. So I tested it once. I want to show you guys. We're gonna go from about 10 inches, and we're gonna drop it, see how much it comes back up. Oops. And do it one more time. We're getting to about 8.5 inches, so that's about an 85% rebound, which is really good. And the rebound doesn't do much for your hammer coming back up, but transfers energy back into the metal, so it moves it faster. And it does. It moves it a lot faster. I'll show you. This moves metal really easily. It's fantastic. There goes my chisel. Squaring it off. Came out pretty good there. Just gonna sit that right there. That's gonna be pretty good. All right, so it's squared. Let's go ahead and make a trinket. Just cut an angle there. Points. Having the right angle makes that point go so much faster. Kind of just put the point on there. We don't need to have a super tight point here because I think I'll make a scorpion tail bottle opener. Those are always fun. I make a lot of leaves. Alright, so I had to move the camera. I was getting too hot because of the sun, so we're at a different angle. But I forged the point down, and it moved so much nicer with the Anvil. It only took me a grand total of 2 heats to do that. I probably could have done it 1 heat if I was not explaining stuff before I realized the camera turned off. And then already started squaring off the stock here. Go ahead and reheat it real quick, but I'm going to go ahead and start making the tail portion. This anvil is still just a hair too high. So virtual hole comes in handy now. Got a hole through that now. So, let's make the hole a little bigger. Well, you can see that. Hole's not quite even, but you know, it's all right. get a little better thing here. It's hot still. So, we're testing out the new Anvil. We got a little scorpion tail bottle opener here. I'm gonna clean it up on the grinder. I'm gonna obviously grind this part down a little bit. I'm gonna wire brush all the scale off. I'm gonna get it hot again, stick it in some oil to coat it to protect it from rusting. There you go. You just put this part, underneath the bottle cap, and then just bloop, pop it up. So makes a nice. There you have it, the Dragon bottle opener. So I went ahead and we'll see how well you can see this or not. But I blackened it. So I simply took all the as much of the scale off as I could with the wire brush. Cleaned it up, got it hot, not red hot, and then immersed it in white quenching oil, and it gives it this nice shiny black coat on there, which kind of protects it. So now I got a bottle opener that'll work. So then what you do is you put your cap underneath this little lip down here, and you can pop it up, or you can use this end. I may not have made that enough to get in there, but you have something. So there you go. Not too shabby. I could critique it. Normally this hole has to be bigger, but there you go. That's it, guys. Enjoy.